Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the best battery maintainer for winter storage. Your car's battery steadily depletes its charge when not used for a long time, and recharging a dead battery can take forever. Car batteries normally discharge for not so long before they become ineffective, requiring you to recharge. Conversely, with car battery maintainers, your batteries are perpetually fully charged without being charged excessively. With battery maintainers, you keep batteries in storage for an indefinite period without disturbing yourself about them getting damaged or needing to be recharged. Most of the battery maintainers available in the market are manufactured to revive low batteries and preserve charged batteries. Also, some can function well with 6 volts and 12 volts batteries. In this video, we will examine the 6 best battery maintainers for winter storage, how to keep the car battery charged when not in use, how long a car battery will last if disconnected, and how to keep car batteries from dying in cold weather. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Battery maintainers enhance the longevity of your batteries and ensure the car will start efficiently when it is used, hence eliminating the time you'll spend to jumpstart the car. Batteries are quite costly to purchase. So, you need to avoid the risk of getting a new one due to poor maintenance. Now, let's look at 6 battery maintainers that can operate at maximum capacity to ensure the efficiency of your battery. 1. Battery Tender Plus. This battery maintainer takes the top position of battery maintaining technology and is ideal for winter storage. It is designed with a 125 amp battery charger and comes with an amazing 10-year warranty. This first-class battery maintainer has an AC cord length of 6 feet, 1.5 foot DC output cord length, and mechanically changes to float mode when charged. It also has LED indicators and is guarded against spark and reverse polarity. One sensitive facet of this battery maintainer is that it is sensitive to temperature, meaning it automatically means no matter the temperature, it will automatically regulate to make certain that irrespective of the temperature, the battery is charging to the exact voltage. 2. Schumacher SC1300 Battery Maintainer is pricey. The Schumacher SC1300 battery maintainer is affordable and is perfect for winter storage. It features a 1.5 amp and alternates between floating and charged mode. It comes with LED indicators that let you know when your car battery is still uncharged or completely charged. It has an auto voltage guard and regulates amp rate. It has just a year warranty and is reasonably priced and compact. 3. Noco Genius G4 Smart Battery Charger. This battery maintainer is ideal for more than one car garage. It comes with 4 banks that can concurrently charge 4 batteries. It wouldn't be idyllic for you to acquire 4 battery maintainers for 4 cars, where you would have wires scattered everywhere. However, the Noco Genius Battery Charger takes care of this problem. This battery maintainer had diverse amperage options, 0.75 to 26 amps, with a 5-year warranty. Also, it has extension cables, clamps, and terminals. It works efficiently with 6-volt and 12-volt batteries and offers sensitive diagnostic information. It is properly protected against spark and reverse polarity. The extra banks make this maintainer cost-effective. 4. Optima Digital 412 volts Performance Maintainer. It is a bit classier compared to other brands. It comes with an inbuilt battery health mode and 4 amps. Optima Digital 400 can be used on motorcycles and marine. Apart from charging, it also helps maintain the battery and features a standard connection that protects the device from sparking. It also has a hook and stand for easy mounting and LED indicators and is best for winter storage. One distinguishing feature that comes with this battery maintainer is that it can recover discharged batteries. This is a trait other maintainers lack. If a battery drops to 1.25 volt, this battery maintainer will automatically recover it. 5. Battery Minder 1510 Battery Maintenance. This battery maintainer is a trustworthy brand that produces different battery maintenance devices. It is FFC certified and comes with an ambient temperature sensor. It has the capacity to maintain 4 batteries at the same time. It can be used for different types of batteries. 6. Black Plus Deckard MEB Automatic Battery Charger. This battery maintainer is affordable and also best for winter storage. It comes with a float charger that can charge at 6 volts and 12 volts. It features 1.5 amps and is ideal for wet batteries, AGM, and gel. It has clamps and terminals and alternates between charging modes. It is protected against reverse polarity and has a built-in mounting bracket. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. How to keep the car battery charged when not in use. There are several ways you can keep a car battery charged when not in use. One of such ways is to use a battery tender. A battery charger is way dissimilar from a battery tender in the sense that the charger applies continuous current to the battery. In contrast, the tender applies current but automatically shuts off when the battery is filled up, depending on the battery's electrical energy. It is not ideal to leave your battery for an extended period without using it. When you do this, your battery begins to stale or sulfate. For marginal batteries, an alarm system could drain them in a short time. There are various ways a battery can die. However, you can prevent your battery from dying using numerous techniques. A battery can fail due to various factors, including extreme temperatures, parasitic drain. During cold months, the temperature is low, and this can lead to low available amperage to crank over an engine. Hot weather, however, is worse as it destroys the battery. Hot weather does have a negative impact on car batteries. However, you can prevent extreme hot or cold from destroying a battery by ensuring it's in the best feasible shape. A battery's electrolyte tends to evaporate during the hot summer, so keeping it topped off is vital. Low electrolyte harmfully has an effect on the performance of the battery. A parasitic drain can quickly destroy even a new battery. The battery can jerk back to life with the use of a trickle charger. However, the battery can still go dead again due to the parasitic drain. This can destroy your battery without the slightest inkling because you won't notice anything unusual. A parasitic drain usually has an outside indicator to reveal to you that there's a problem. The component of the car draws current when your car is off and may continue until you go to start your car and get an ineffective retort. However, a parasitic drain is unable to cause any permanent damage unless your battery is old. You can spot the source of the drain and repair it to prevent your battery from getting drained many times. You can track down the causal factor of parasitic drain by removing fuses, one after the other until the light goes out or the ammeter drops to zero. You can map the drain to an exact components using the right circuit diagram provided. During storage, a battery can be preserved by disconnecting the electrical system of the car to prevent it from killing the battery. If you plan on leaving your car for an extended time in storage, you may have to disconnect the battery. On the other hand, self-discharge will cause even a new battery to gradually lose charge. Although lead-acid batteries do have a comparatively slow self-discharge rate, about 5% each month, long-term storage can allow normal self-discharge to exhaust a battery to a treacherous level. To keep your battery charged when not in use, you can charge it up occasionally and employ a float charger that mechanically charges when the battery drops below a certain voltage. A battery tender or float charger can put a stop to your battery from dying while your car is not in use. However, it is still advisable to check on your car regularly to ensure everything is working fine. How long will the car battery last if disconnected? Most people who have left their cars parked for some time may want to know how long a car battery will last if disconnected. It is vital to be careful of the period of time you leave your car parked without driving it. BMW gives a maximum time frame of 4 weeks. So, your battery may likely last for about 4 weeks if disconnected. According to batterymodon.com, a car battery can last less than 2 months if disconnected. How to keep car batteries from dying in cold weather. Weather extremities like cold winters or hot summers are bad for car batteries. Garaging is the only choice you have to care for your car battery and safeguard it from the negative effects of excruciating weather. The best way to keep your car battery from dying in cold weather is to ensure it's always in optimum shape. Ensure you keep the electrical connections dirt-free and the battery accurately charged to help during the cold weather when less cranking amperage is obtainable. The capacity of a lead-acid battery can drop about 20% when the cold weather temperature rises to the freezing point. This means that every amp counts the more the mercury level plunge. This is more applicable to smaller batteries that don't possess low cold cranking amps. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.